artists! Are you ready for today's adventure? Grab your magical pencils, brave hearts, and brightest colors.
Pikachu! Cute Pikachu! Pikachu! Cute Pikachu!
Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Once upon a bright little drawing day, a clean white space waited quietly, like a snowy playground with no footprints yet. The pencil tip peeked in and whispered, "Something cheerful is coming." The empty box giggled softly, ready for a tiny friend to appear. Two giant pointy ears popped up first, wide and bouncy like little paper kites. Between them, a round head curved into place, as soft as a cookie. "Hello?" the new shape seemed to say, even though it had no eyes or mouth yet.
Wow!
Now the ears received their zigzaggy inside lines, like tiny lightning paths going zip, zap, zoom. Two round cheek circles appeared on the face, ready to hold happy color later. The little character was still quiet, but it already looked full of playful energy.
Yes!
Plop, plop. Two shiny black eyes landed on the face, sparkling like marbles in the sunshine. A teeny nose appeared in the middle, small as a dot of chocolate. The little friend blinked in surprise, as if waking up from a silly dream.
Yay!
A big cheerful mouth opened wide, and suddenly the tiny friend looked ready to laugh. Under the round face, a zigzag collar popped out like a funny costume. Ta-da! The character seemed to shout, making the whole drawing space feel warm and silly.
Yay!
A small oval body grew beneath the zigzag collar, round and wobbly like a little bean. The character looked down and giggled. "Oh, I have a tummy now." The ears stood tall and proud, listening for the next magic pencil move.
Okay.
One tiny arm stretched out to the side, then another little arm waved hello. The cheerful friend looked like it wanted to hug the whole world. "Come closer," it seemed to say. "There is plenty of room for smiles, wiggles, and happy adventures."
Okay.
The lines became darker and clearer, as if the character had put on a neat outline jacket. The cheeks, eyes, ears, collar, and body all stood out nicely. It smiled calmly now, proud of each little shape that helped build its friendly face. Both arms spread wider, like the little friend was balancing on an invisible stage. "Ladies and gentlemen," the drawing seemed to announce, "prepare for cuteness." The face stayed sweet and gentle, while the big ears made it look extra curious.
Yay!
Little feet appeared under the round body, one on each side, ready for tiny tiptoe steps. The character could now stand all by itself. It wiggled proudly, as if saying, "Look at me. I may be small, but I am ready to march." The feet became smoother, and the body looked even more balanced. Our little friend practiced a cheerful pose with arms out and eyes shining. It imagined hopping through puddles, dancing on pillows, and making everyone laugh with tiny squeaky footsteps.
Yay!
A zigzag tail began to appear behind the body, sharp and funny like a lightning-shaped ribbon. The little friend turned slightly, feeling something new behind it. "Is that my tail?" it wondered. "It looks ready to swish, swoosh, and surprise." The tail grew longer and clearer, pointing out proudly from the side. One arm lifted in a friendly wave as if greeting the sun. The character looked brave now, ready to explore a big backyard filled with flowers, bugs, and giggles.
Yay!
The shiny eyes gained extra sparkle, like tiny stars dancing inside them. The smile stayed gentle, and the cheeks waited patiently for color. The little friend seemed to whisper, "I can feel the rainbow coming. Please give me my bright, happy glow."
Okay.
Every line looked clean and ready, from the tall ears to the tiny toes. The zigzag tail, round cheeks, soft tummy, and sweet smile all came together. The drawing took one big pretend breath, waiting for the final splash of magic color. Hooray! The little friend turned bright yellow with rosy cheeks, dark-tipped ears, and a bold black collar. The tail became dark and zippy, perfect for a playful finish. It waved happily and laughed. "Thank you for watching me come to life."